Welcome back guys to another video. So I took a trade on 75 index, a buy trade basically. So we're talking about my entry reasons why I took the buy trade on 75 index, and we're having a market breakdown as well. Before we get started, if you're new to the channel, please do smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. And to my returning viewers, I really appreciate you guys for contributing to the growth of the channel, for always turning up to watch my new videos. I really appreciate you guys. Let's do more, guys. So we can see on central index on the 4-hour time frame that we had this uptrend, this new uptrend formation on central index on the 1-hour time frame, and I got into the buys at this level. So before I identified this trade opportunity, firstly I went to the daily time frame, a higher time frame basically. So we can see on the higher time frame that we had a level, an important level in the market, a level of support and as well as a key level, we would say, because we have seen the market bouncing off this level, doing the same thing at this point, then broke below this level, came back to retest it, like give us a break above it and a retest for a continuation to the upside, and started as a support at this level, and finally we got another retest at this same level. So you can see how the market rejected at this zone and give us this buy up. So in the last few days, we have seen central index give us bullish moves. Like we have seen central index give us a couple of buys in the market. So what's the market situation on central index? We have seen that on the higher time frame, like on the weekly time frame, the market has been on a long-term sell-off. Like the market has been on a long-term downtrend for some time now. So when we head to the daily time frame, you can see that there was a change of market structure. The market reacting to a key level, reacting to a level of support, an important level in the market. You can see the reaction to these zones. But if I got into this trade, I went to the daily time frame and saw the last daily candle formation. You can see that we had a nice formation in the daily time frame. We had this nice bullish candle pattern. Like you can see, this last candle was a nice candle, and we had the markets giving us a break out of this our trend. We have this trend formation. The market gave us this our downward channel or a downtrend, a mini downtrend. So I see the market has been selling off in this trend. So finally we got to this our level and we had a bounce off this level. The market gave us little consolidations in this zone, a kind of a build up in this level. There was a consolidation in this level before we found a breakout. You can see this bullish candle that broke out of this zone after this consolidation. Like there was a kind of a build up. This is an order block basically. So we can see market give us a breakout after days of consolidation. We had about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days of consolidation of the market being in a range at this zone before we got this massive breakout with this bullish engulfing candle. You can see the size of this candlestick, how big it is after we got this consolidation. So we had the breakout of this level and we had our downward trend as well broken. Like the market broke out of this our downward trend, gave us a retest. This bullish candle gave us a breakout of this our downward trend or channel. Then we had the market give us this bearish candle that came to retest this broken trend resistance turned support. So you can see afterwards we had this last daily candle. So I entered on the new formation of a new daily candle. So I'm expecting a long-term buy in the market. So this is actually a swing trade, a swing position I'll be taking on central index. I had a couple of positions running. I'll be closing a few and leaving a few to run up, like taking partials and swinging the remaining positions. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we had this this is a kind of a bullish pennant, like a kind of a triangle formation. Is a bullish pennant basically. So on how we got the breakout of this our downward channel or descending channel or downward trend, anyone, whichever one. So you can see that the market gave us this pennant. So on the pennant formation, we have seen the nature of the market. We have seen that there was a bullish build up in this zone before we got the massive daily candle that gave us the breakout of this level and break of this our trend line. And afterwards the market started forming this pennant, this triangular formation. So on this formation we expect a breakout of this our structure, because we have seen the market formation, we have seen the market bouncing off this our level, it's our key level, and we have seen the break of this our downward channel or mini downtrend So we have seen like there was a shift of bearish pressure, there was a shift of market structure. And on the higher time frame, basically, you can see that on the daily time frame that the market is giving us a kind of a reversal formation, like a left shoulder here, a left shoulder at this point, a head and a right shoulder. Like we are getting the right shoulder formation at this zone. So on the 1 hour time frame, it was clear that there was a double bottom formation at this zone, which I identified. Basically identified this double bottom formation the market formed here, two equal lows. The market gave us this double bottom formation, adding up with our support trend, that's like our pennant support trend. We had the market bouncing off this level, bouncing off this level, and doing the same thing here as well. So you can see that the market is reacting to our resistance level at this zone. So but long term, if you expect, you might see the market give us a retest at this level. So be closing out some positions and leaving the rest to run up, possibly be entering some, getting to the trade at this point, taking some new positions at this level for a buy, like a break and retest of this level. You can see the market is reacting to this our trend resistance, selling off this zone, selling off here, and we could see the market give us a retest of this our broken level, like to confirm a resistance level turn support, because you can see the market was selling off this zone, selling off here, and doing the same thing here. So we could see the market give us a retest of this level, then a continuation to the upside for a long-term buy. So we've seen the market give us a buy to this level. At least we've seen a buy to this level. That was our first target. Then our next target would be at this level. So we'll be closing out some positions at this point and leaving the rest to run up, and possibly taking more positions, like buying the retest of this our broken level. So that was how I was able to take the buys on Central Index and the market breakdown, basically. So be expecting long-term buys on Central Index in the coming days and weeks. So you guys should watch out for Central Index. Please do better to take advantage of this market, this new market structure and formation. So that was my view and market breakdown on Central Index. So thank you guys for staying to the end of the video. If you're new to the channel, please do to smash the subscribe button, and to my returning viewers, I really appreciate you guys. Let's keep the one with you guys, and do have a wonderful day. Peace out.